In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp group call waiting room missing. First thing you want to do is check for app update, launch App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. New calling features are typically released to app updates, so keeping WhatsApp up to date is essential. If you're already using the latest version, restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. A simple restart and refresh the app can help newly released features appear correctly. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection, or you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're using WhatsApp on linked devices, update the desktop app or WhatsApp web as well. Using an outdated companion app can sometimes affect the availability of newer calling features. You should also keep in mind that WhatsApp rolls out many new features gradually. Even if your app is fully updated, the group call waiting room feature may not be available for every account or in every region at the same time. If that's the case, you'll need to wait until WhatsApp enables it for your account. Next, clear cache for the app, so launch Settings, head over to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Offload app, confirm it, then wait for a few seconds and click on Reinstall app. As a final step, back up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the official App Store and sign back into your account. Then check whether the group call waiting room feature is available. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.